In this video, I'll show you how to set up order fulfillment SMS automation using Mercuri. Go to the template section in Mercuri dashboard and select SMS. In the top right corner, click Create Template to get started. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. Enter a short and descriptive template name, for example, shipment details. You can also enhance your SMS by adding media attachments like images, videos, or documents, either by uploading a file directly or by including a URL. In the template text box, craft a clear and concise message within 160 characters. You can personalize it using dynamic variables by clicking Add Variable at the bottom right corner. Map each variable to the correct data fields, like the customer's name, order number, shipment provider, and tracking link. Use the preview option to see how your message will look to customers, and once satisfied, click on Create. We can see here that our SMS template has been created. Now, go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Fulfillment Created as the automation type and choose SMS as the channel. Select your SMS template which you have created. Click on Create Automation. And that's it. Your SMS automation for Shopify using Mercuri is now ready.